Hey buddy, how are you? I tell you what, you gotta drop the knife if I want to talk to you, okay? Can you drop the knife for me? What's your name? Hey, stay back. Stay back. It's correct. Come on out of here. Stay back.
You just fucking shoot me, honestly.
I'm not shooting you. Drop the knife for me. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hey, I got none. I got none.
Alright, come on out here.
Stay back.
We know in law when matters have been drawn, it's difficult for you to take your own opinion or say your own things and feel they are correct. In this case, what do you think was wrong? Definitely the guy. You understand? Because you can't be holding a knife and charging towards the police and the policeman is going to allow you. That was a very, very wrong move. He had to do self-defense and all that. You feel me, right? That was a kind of self-defense. Like, watch this.
You just fucking shoot me, honestly.
I'm not shooting you. Drop the knife for me. Drop the knife.
You do it for black people all the
Drop
time.
the knife.
Do you not? Do you not? Do you not? Do you not? Stop firing. Stop firing. Drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Stop. Chamber, start me EMS now.
Even after the pain has been inflicted, like, I still see the man is still being stubborn here. Like, he's very, very stubborn. Because these are the kind of cases where we'll look at them and we'll want to, like, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? And you find yourself doing them again. Why? Things like this shouldn't happen, okay? You wouldn't get yourself now because now you're going to go to the hospital, the danger and everything now for you. You'll be the one feeling the pain. You'll be the one feeling the pain. Avoid some of these things we take to live up a better life. Watch this.
I'm in my vehicle waiting for backup.
7-6, where did you go in here?
All the way to the left. 10:43, he has slit his wrist.
Hope you learned something from this video. Next time, just respect, follow others, and you be in a good place to go, okay? Yes, that's just the best way to do. Hope you like the video, subscribe, and share to people so that they could learn more from you. Thank you.
Alright, just whenever you get out.
Chamber 7.3.